Hey, what are you doing down here?
The boss supposed to have a word with you.
Yeah, you ain't too happy.
That'll be enough, Payne.
What do you want? I didn't do anything.
We're here to collect some interest.
You owe us a lot of money.
Here comes the herd.
I need sex back, but please. He sees what we did to his family.
Now we'll get his daddy.
No, my family! No, I need to save my family! Chains! Why are they coming out of my wrists?
Doctor, hurry! I think he's dying.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Clear. 1, 2, 3.
Dad.
1, 2, 3.
They had no right. You had nothing to do with this. Yeah. Thank you. Why?
What'd you do that for? I was sleeping. Why?
You took my hat.
Yeah? Well, I was sleeping.
I said, you took my hat.
So?
Who ordered the hit on my dad? Who? Talk or I'll kill you.
It was Lieutenant Anderson.
Ah! Where is he? You're going to regret messing with me.
He's the pin of death. Hey, what's going on?
That's all I needed to know. I killed you.
Alright, I got all the plans right here. Are you ready to execute them? What was that? Mr. Aronis, I've been expecting you. Excellent job, Lieutenant.
It's not over.
Well, it seems as if I've underestimated his abilities. Wouldn't you say so, Lieutenant?
Yes, you did. Now you do it! Scumbag. You created me. I've been given a curse, but at the same time a great gift. The boss isn't here, but he's next.
Hi.
Get over on his neck. Give a little snappity doodah. Action. You're not smiling. No smiling when you kill people. Let's try this again. You can't. As fun as this might be.
I thought you were talking about man.
No, he's cracking up. He's like. All right, one more time.
We had to. We planned it out, special features.
Lightsaber!
Okay, now.
Okay, can I say my favorite line?
Anything you want.
Here comes the hurt.
Wow. You gotta say it tougher. You sounded like you were joking.
Oh! I'm screaming in pain.
Yeah, I don't think Prince.
I'm serious. Lagoons takes Ronus's hands and dips them into the bucket full of nuclear waste. Some nasty looking stuff. A chain on the bucket falls into the foul looking liquid. And I'm seriously going to slap the mess out of you. It bubbles.
Now, you know what I'm thinking? Here's why silk from a spider or something.
A big spike would be
Did that make sense? Yeah.
For outfits and everything, can we just bring out outfits?
Now, we'll get to that. Right now, we're trying to get dialogue and stuff. If you want, you can wear all white or all black.
Yeah, I probably don't look like it.
like
Okay, let's do this. I know you're getting enthused, but we just gotta get through this, guys. We're running out of time. Okay.
All right. Oh!
Are you okay with the chain at the last
Yeah.
scene?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then we're on.
My arms.
Okay.
This last thing, June 1 Snickers, June 2 game leader,
Okay, here we go.
that he doesn't forget again.
Cannon.
No, I'm supposed to say,
What would you say? Yeah, boss.
snap, what? When we get to his fingers.
Lightsaber!
Nice try. Nice try. Okay, now, you and me.
Hi.
And what you have another one?
Let's stick into the, let's go from action.
We had to. We planned it out, special features.
Do what you gotta do. That's going in the Christmas reel. All right, you go.
Get over on his neck. Give a little snappity doodah. Action. You're not smiling. No smiling when you kill people. We'll try this again. You can't. As fun as this might be.
I thought you were talking about me. I was
No,
like,
he's cracking up. He's like, all right, one more time.